Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I also how to design a YouTube logo in AutoCAD software. So before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Okay, let's going to start. Taking a polygon, polyline. So I'm going here. I'm taking this one is the 20 units, 20 and this where 20, this where also 20. And join to this point. That one is click enter. Then I'm going here and center radius circle is taken. Sketching a circle, which will be 2.5 mm. Okay, done. Then going here, polar array is selected. Click here, then enter. Then selecting the center of this rectangle. I'm not this is 4. So I'm taking the items of this circle is 4. Then close it. Now done. After that, I'm taking another circle, sketching a circle here, which will be 3.5. Okay. Then again similar way, going here, polar array selected, click here, then enter, and click on the center point. Now I'm taking the items number is 4 also, then exit it. Now I'm going here, selecting the 10, 10, 10 circle. One click is here, another click is here, another click is here. Now done. Similarly, one click is here, another click is here, another click is here. Similarly, one click is here, another click is here, another click is here. Again, one click is here, another click is here, another click is here. Okay, done. Then going here and trim is taken. Right button is click, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim this one, this one, and this one. Now see. After that, escape from the keyboards and selecting these portions and delete from the keyboard. And also selecting this square and delete from the keyboards. I'm selecting this one, delete from the keyboard. Now I'm selecting this one. Before going here, I'm selecting all those things and going to plot. Here I'm selecting the explode is selected. Okay, done. Then I'm going to trim again. Right button is click. Then trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it, trim this one, and also this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now this one. Then I'm taking a going here and polygon is selected. The number of the polygon side is 3. Enter. Now for the center, here the center is created. So inscribe the circle here. After this, okay, done. Then I'm going to the here hash is selecting and selecting this portion. Okay, done. Close it. Again going hash, selecting this one, going here, white color is selecting, and again this one is also white, and selecting this one. Skip from the keyboards. I think got it everybody. Thank you so much for watching this video.